arai tumu eulogy wibang achon Ningreichon Tungshang, human rights activist ali atam nidale.
We're looking at Dr. Vareso's life, his short journey. I had the privilege of chairing few panel discussion Dr. Vareso was a part of, and it's an honor to share his journey in a brief. Dr. Vareso was the youngest among 6 siblings. Their mother died very early, and Dr. Vareso had learned at tender age how to struggle and survive and make an impact. Both his professional and personal life would demonstrate that. He completed his BA at Patkai Christian College. He served as the president in Kohima Law College. He was also the president of the Christian Youth Society in Kohima. He taught briefly at St. Anthony, Dimapur, and went to Mumbai to do his LLM and PhD in Mumbai Law College. He practiced law at Mumbai High Court for 2 years, 92 to 94. He also served as the secretary at the Naga Christian Fellowship, Mumbai. Then he came to Guwahati and served at the Guwahati High Court from 94 to 96. Later, he came back to Imphal and served as the legal OSD in the Directorate of Education. Then he joined LMS Law College. He is a member of the various forum and platform in the university. He is the external subject expert for Board of PG Studies of Law, Manipur University. His contribution for his people is so rich, and it tells us that he was the convener of the United Naga Council Constitution Amendment Drafting Committee 2013. He is also currently in the Tangkhul Naga Long Riyan Review Committee. He was also in the Riyan Committee and an advisor to the Tangkhul Katamnao Long Imphal. He also served in the Tangkhul Aze Katamnao Long. He was also very, very active in the church. He was also the founding member of the Naga Indigenous Peoples Alliance, NIPA. His life permeated across. This is some of the information that we could cull out from different sources. We have not been able to put everything, but surely God knows Dr. Vareso by the work he did. He was a teacher of the law, but he was beyond legalistic realm, and that is rare. His pilgrimage was truly short, but he finished the race so beautifully.